Have you ever felt ignored by your property manager? Unanswered emails, neglected maintenance requests, and a lack of communication can be incredibly frustrating. In this video, we'll explore why this happens, what steps you can take, and how to resolve the issue quickly and effectively. Here are several reasons why your property manager may not be responding. High workload. Many managers handle multiple properties, making it easy for requests to be delayed. Poor communication skills. Some managers struggle with organization, leading to missed messages. Neglect or bias. In some cases, unprofessional behavior or company-wide issues could be the root cause. If your property manager is ignoring you, start with these steps. Document all communication. Save emails, texts, and call logs to track your attempts. Follow up professionally. Send a clear and polite message requesting an update. Check your lease agreement. It often outlines the manager's responsibilities and expected response times. If you're still not getting a response, it's time to escalate. Contact the property management company. Speak to a supervisor for a quicker resolution. Reach out to the landlord. If your manager works for a third party, go directly to the property owner. Know your tenant rights. You have legal protections ensuring timely maintenance and communication. If the problem persists, stronger actions may be necessary. File a formal complaint. Contact your local housing authority or consumer protection agency. Consider legal action. In extreme cases, consulting a lawyer or pursuing small claims court may be necessary. Gather evidence. Keep all records to support your case if you take further action. To avoid similar problems in the future, establish clear communication channels. Find out the best way to reach your manager early on. Set expectations. Clarify response times and reporting procedures when you move in. Be proactive. Address small issues before they become bigger problems. Dealing with an unresponsive property manager can be stressful, but you don't have to go through it alone. Ryconn Property Management prioritizes clear communication and tenant satisfaction. Call us today at 866-960-8797 and let us show you how property management should be done.